So guys, first method, come to this website which is www.gigabyte.com, which is officially website. Then you can see here search button to click to, and just type your model number. Then guys hit enter. Then guys click to product. Now this click here, wait few seconds, it is. Then click to support. Then select your operating system which is using, and which is operating systems driver you have to require. So because I am using Windows 7, Windows 11, then click to select this. Audio driver, click to download. Now this is downloading, so please you have to wait, it will complete. After that you can see here automatically show the pop-up. Then open this, double click to setup. Now this is ready to install. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to driver to your system. Then it is completed, then close it. Chipset extract, try to first one and click to download. So you can see here it just start automatically, so wait few seconds. Then open that and single click to open. Double click to setup. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting data to install. Now this is installing, it will complete, automatically close it. Then it is done, then close it. LAN, so LAN driver, click to download, it is only 5 MB. So it is downloaded, just single click to open setup, double click. Then click to yes. You can see here Realtek LAN driver for Gigabyte. So it is completed, so close it. VGA driver, so click to download. It will start, you can see here. So it is completed, just single click to downloaded file and then double click to. Now this is extract to data to your system. Then click to yes. So this is installed, then close it. Bluetooth, scroll down, see Bluetooth driver, just click to download. It is completed, just single click to open, again double click to open, then yes. Now you can see this is installing Bluetooth driver. And then close it. Wi-Fi driver, scroll down, Wi-Fi 7, this is model number, MediaTalk. Otherwise you can install Realtek. Try to this one. Click to download Realtek Wi-Fi driver. Then click to on this. Then double click to setup. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is installing. And then closed.